In this video, we're going to subtract fractions, and these fractions are called mixed numbers. They have whole numbers with fractions in them. So if we have a problem like this that says subtract 5 3/8 minus 2 1/8, what does this mean? This means we have 5 whole things and 3/8 of those same things. And similarly, we have 2 whole things for these and 1/8 of the same thing. So kind of imagine like 2 whole pies and then 1/8 of a pie, or 5 pizzas and then as well 3/8 of a pizza. So how do we subtract these numbers? The first step is to notice that the denominators are the same. When the denominators are the same, you can subtract the numerators and leave the denominators unchanged. So I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that go through this in more detail if you need a little bit extra help on it. So the next step is to subtract the whole numbers from whole numbers and fractions from fractions. So we would subtract 5 minus 2, and then we subtract 3 minus 1. So it would look like this. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2/8. So the answer to this is 3 2/8. So we would have maybe 3 2/8 pizzas left. So now we notice that this can be further reduced. We can reduce 2/8. 2 can be divided into 2 and 8. So we go ahead and do that. 2 fits into 2 once, and then 2 fits into 8 4 times. So the final answer is 3 1/4, because we reduce 2/8. And that is what is called in lowest terms. Okay? So it can't be reduced any further, so that means it's in its lowest term. And if you need more help also on reducing, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like that too. As well, if you had trouble with this, you could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do math, and there's nothing wrong with repetition. Practice makes improvement. You can also download the ebook and follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.